decided to pop into Selfridges. Selfridges just opened and I decided to come very early so I can join the queue because there is a new Chanel pop-up, the number 5 pop-up, the factory, number 5 factory. And I really wanted to pick up some pieces, so hopefully there will be some left. I've just been given a bracelet, so there is a queue but you need a bracelet, so my slot is at 12:40. So yeah, hopefully I have some time to kill because it is 10:15 now. So yeah, I'll just go around, kill some time and go back and check out the new factory. So yeah. Check out this cardigan. I love the buttons and the detail on the pocket with the chain. Ooh, check out this Louis skirt with the chain. The new multi-pochette accessoire on the mannequin. I actually filmed a vlog with this collection, so I'll link it above. I love the beige sweater, it's so beautiful. Oh guys, look at this, it's so cute, this robe, Prada robe, how fancy. Look guys, there is also a Prada pop-up with this outdoors collection, camping collection. How cool. I love this green bucket hat, the color is so nice. And they have the dog bags. Just killing some time at Chanel. I love these scarves. Look at the detail with the pearls. Oh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. Look at the detail. Love it. And this is a mini rectangle. Okay, so just wanted to show you. Chanel had a price increase very recently. Look at the price of the new small classic flap, 5,400. And this is the medium, which is now, let me see. Wow, 5,890. Last weekend, the sale is finishing this weekend and that's what's left. Not much. And they have some camellias here and a belt, some bracelets. Guys, found something else from the sales. Oh my god, they still had quite a few pieces left from the sales. Yeah, I found something really nice, so now I'm on my way to the factory, Chanel factory. I'm running a bit late. out. They only had a few items left. They had the soap, the bath, the shower gel, and I think some of the perfumes, the number 5 perfumes, but everything else was sold out. I really wanted the bottle and the bath tablets, but these were sold out. And they said people start queuing up at 8 o'clock. Selfridges opens at 10, and they do replenish the stock every day. But yeah, the queues start from 8 o'clock. There is no chance I'm coming back. You can only buy 3 items and they have to be different. You can't buy the same. I found 2 items that I wanted, so I'm happy, but I doubt I'll be coming back because I just can't be bothered. I came at 10 o'clock and I managed to go in at 12:40 and everything was sold. So yeah, there's no chance I'm going back. I think I might just buy some of eBay because it will be easier instead of coming paying for taxis. Actually, it might be cheaper to buy it on eBay. They sell for double the price on eBay, so yeah, I guess I'll just do that. But yeah, when I get home, I will show you what I picked up. Okay, time to unbox these. Hello everyone, it is a different day as you can tell. I look a bit different, still minimal makeup because it's been so hot for the past couple of days. We're having a heat wave here in the UK and I am dying. It is so hot, it is 30 plus degrees and I hate the heat. Anyway, we're not here to talk about the weather. I'm gonna show you what I picked up from, hold on. Okay, better. So I'm gonna show you what I picked up from Chanel Factory 5. You guys saw that I went to the pop-up and I went super early. There was already a queue. They told me people start queuing up at like 7 o'clock, 7, 8. Selfridges opens at 10. Oh, my mom's calling me. Hour. Bye. First, from Tom Ford, guys, I have to show you this. I purposely put this in here so I can remember to show you. Have you guys tried the Tom Ford body sprays? They're amazing. This is my second bottle of the, what is it called? A Soleil Blanc. And it is the best summer fragrance. It smells like beach, holiday, sand. It is so lovely. Okay, let me unbox. So they gave me a poster, which I will show you in a bit. Let me put it here. And the Factory 5 comes in these bags, which are really cool. And here, this I bought from eBay. Let me take everything out. Okay, so these are the cool paper bags, and inside we have... This is the item, one of the 3 items that I really wanted. So I wanted the shower gel, I wanted the bath tablets, and I wanted the bottle. So I got one, at least this was available. And then I also got the number 5 soap. It looks like a shoe polish tin. Yeah, these are my 2 picks from Selfridges. However, I told you guys that I wanted 2 more products from the number 5 factory, so I ordered them on eBay. And actually it turned out this one came from a subscriber, and she was so sweet. She sent me all these samples inside of perfumes. We have some Hermes perfumes, Dior. She even sent me these. Hold on, look at these Dior lip glosses, so cute. If you're watching, thank you so much. And I got I really wanted to get the, is it focusing? The bath tablets.
Look how cool. I can't wait to display these in my bathroom. They're so cute, and I'm gonna show you inside as well. I'll show you how they look. I'm also gonna show you the shower gel inside. I think you get 20 inside in each box. So yes, I'm gonna open them up and show you, and the scent is very pleasant. I'm not a huge fan of number 5, I'm not gonna lie, but the scent is definitely not as strong, so yes, I really like them. And yeah, the packaging is so cute. I am a sucker for packaging. Oh, and I also forgot to show you the free poster that they were giving with every purchase, so I'm gonna quickly insert a clip of the poster as well so you can see. I did order one more item, and it is the bottle. Yes, I found it. However, I missed my delivery today. I had to go meet a friend in the morning and they tried to deliver and I missed them, so hopefully they'll re-deliver tomorrow before this video goes up. If I do manage to get it before the video goes up, I'll make sure I include some footage so you can see. It is a glass bottle with a rubber sleeve. I'm super excited to receive it. I did pay extra, I paid about double. However, this was the cheapest one on eBay because there are some crazy prices. I've seen some bottles for £1,000. Like, people are crazy on eBay, and the bottle is about £56, so I paid about 130 as far as I remember. I know it's a bit crazy paying double for these, but I really wanted it. It's limited edition. I knew I wasn't gonna get it from the store or online, although they said they'll replenish the stock. I doubt I'll be able to ever get these two because they were the two most popular items and they were always the first ones to go, so I did order this from eBay as well. I paid a bit extra for this, not double, a bit. It wasn't double, I think I paid about 80 something pounds, and the original is again around 55 pounds maybe, so yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you very soon in the next video. Oh, and let me know if you picked up anything from the Factory 5 and what. I would love to hear. So bye guys.